everyone. Welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. The basic of triple steps is basically doing these 3 steps. Okay, so it's going to go to the side and then this leg step to the back and coming back to the front. So it's basically side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front. You can basically do these triple steps, alright, on flat-footed, alright, or you can do it on your tippy toes so that you look tall and elegant, stretch up, alright, or you can combine this. You can go up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. When you do your up, drag it back, front, drag, back, front, drag, back, front, drag, back, front. Alright, so you can play with the different style that you want with the triple steps. Alright, so you got the basic step, and now we're going to decorate it. Okay, you can decorate the triple steps with the different arm movements. Okay, you can basically just put it at the side this way. Okay, you can open it up this way, or you can just do a simple wave to the side this way. Imagine you're in a pool where the water is up to your chest, and then you're just wading the water to the side as you go to the different side. Or you can also do a figure 8 with the hands. Basically draw a figure 8, go down and up, go down and up, go down and up, go down and up, a figure 8. Okay, or you can do a snake up as you go to this side. Make it small. You're not going to do a big snake up with this, okay, unless you want to do it this way. Alright, but if you're just traveling, a small one will be nice. Okay, so these are the different arm movements that you can do when you're doing your triple steps. Alright, but now I want to focus on the hip. You can decorate it with the hip as well by adding these extra movements. When you're doing your triple step, push the hip to the side, push and back, push, step back, push, back, front, push, back, front. So you will see that there is now, like your hip is like doing the hip sway to the side, out and out and out, and then change, shift your body to the side. When you push this hip out, your opposite shoulder twist it to the side. So it's like you're twisting your body this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, you can also do the hip movements with the figure 8. Alright, so you can do 1. So as you push, instead of pushing directly to the side, you go to the front and then bring it back, front, bring it back, front, bring it back, diagonal and back, diagonal and back, diagonal and back, diagonal and back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Figure 8, figure 8, push and back, push and back. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time. Bye.